good afternoon to all the members. I would like to welcome all of you for the third quarter IIC meeting of IIT College of Pharmacy, Greater Noida. So, as we know that we have been successfully uploaded all the reports of quarter 1 and quarter 2 on IIC portal successfully before the deadline. Now the meeting has been going on, have been called to discuss the various agenda of quarter 3 of IIC which we are going to take up. I hope that all the members have been successfully conducted the activities and we could upload successfully on the date at the deadlines. Now the MHRD has come out with the new guidelines. Accordingly, we all should work, and all the cells and the heads who have been coordinating are leading this the various cells of IIC of IMT College of Pharmacy. Maybe have been upgraded with the committee or any modifications or the constitutions are going to be deliberated in this meeting, and the same thing will be updated and will be accepted by all the committee members. So, without taking much, I would like to briefly outline the various activities which are supposed to be conducted in quarter 3 under IIC calendar activity, MIC activity and self-driven activities. And at this time, it's very clearly that we have to focus. Maybe we were having lacuna in the earlier, but now we've been well versed with how we have to go ahead about these IIC activities, particularly the title and focusing on particularly that innovations, entrepreneurship and startup. And these areas we have to focus, and particularly in this third quarter activity, the things have been majorly focused on the innovations, and that I able to share with all of you. And the first activities, I think the calendar activities I would like to just briefly highlight. That is field exposure, visit to incubation unit, patent facilitation center, technology transfer centers and co-working spaces. So this is the first of the IC calendar activity, and the innovation cell has to work hard and they have to plan accordingly. That means we have to ensure that our students and faculty has to visit the incubation unit, and they have to ensure that this our members and students have been exposed to these incubators, as well as the patent facilitation centers, that how the patents have been filed. All this has to be organized in a well manner. So I hope that the innovation cell will definitely come out and all the preparations will be done accordingly. The next agenda under this activity is workshop on prototype, process design and development. So prototyping under incubation, that's why the first one is you have to expose to the incubators, and incubators will definitely the students and faculty they will understand about how incubation starts. And the second one, that prototype has to be designed, and that's what the guide. First one is just a continuation from the first one, that first you have to get exposed and then you have to learn, and then you have to design the prototype. That's what you have to call how this has been learned during the workshop, how to design a prototype. And further, that workshop and how once the prototype has been developed, the students are the investigators, the mentors has to understand that how it can be further taken up, and they should have to prepare a business model that how further development of these prototypes. So the sessions and workshop for the eminent people are the people in this area. They've been invited and they will to conduct the workshops, and the innovation cell has to plan for this purpose. And of course, that's what business plan, prototype competition, that we invite innovative ideas from all the you can say the stakeholders, from the students and as well as from other fraternity. And this is what you have to business plan, they have to set up and they have to present. And once the prototype has been developed and the business plan has been developed, we have to work that how startups under Startup India programs. So the guidelines have been very clear, and that's what we call eminent experts under the startup initiatives. They will definitely highlight and guideline how this prototypes has to be developed further and under registration and under the Startup India programs. So further, that's after conducting, we have to further guideline that again continuous. This is a continuous agenda. That's what I've been given around almost 10 ISC activities. It's a continuous chain. I think that's what we have to organize and continuously work hard. And I think the startup cell have been continuously. First is innovation cell, then further it will be taken up by the startup cell. Prototypes are once they've been developed, I think the startup cell has to take up. They have to invite and they have to conduct workshops and on this innovation that to patent file as well as how this as a successful startup the mentors have been further they have to develop. So these are the 10 agendas on the first IC calendar activities which we are supposed to organize, which we are supposed to plan it, and various cells, particularly the first agenda MSc activity, calendar activity, 3 aspects have been, 3 cells have to work hard. One is the innovation cell, the second one is the startup cell, and the third one is of course the part is entrepreneurship cell, which has to, and the last agenda they have to coordinate with the innovation and startup, and they have to bring about entrepreneurship. So I think this is about the MSc activities and calendar activity, and MSc activity we are supposed to organize it and accordingly we have to plan it. And for the students, maybe you can say the self-driven activities also has been already listed and shared with all of you, all the members, and accordingly we have to plan it. And now I request the convener of
Sir, now I am going to announce the name and the cell, the various cells. So first cell is a pre-incubation unit. The members are the heading members are Dr. Pushpin Jain, advisor Professor S.K. Mahajan, research scientist Ms. Ankita Tripathi, government scheme coordinator Mr. Rajiv Kumar, faculty research paper coordinator Mr. Lilith Rana, student research paper coordinator Ms. Nutan Kumari, innovation mentors Mrs. Meenakshi Gupta, event coordinator Mrs. Farheen, and the event coordinator again the document manager and clerk Mrs. Pooja Singhal. Now it's all about pre-incubation unit. I am going to announce the incubation unit, which have 3 cells: IPR cell, E cells, and MSME Business Incubation Center. The first one is IPR cell, leading with Mrs. Khushbu Bharadwaj, faculty IPR coordinator Mrs. Ankita, student IPR coordinator Ms. Ruchi Singh, IP attorney and IP mentor Mr. Rajkumar Mishra, clerk and documentation Mr. Shubham Avasthi. Next one is E cell, leading with Mr. Rajiv Malhotra, and the clerk is Mr. Sunil Kumar. MSME Business Incubation Incubation Center, lead with Dr. Vivek Chauhan, center manager Mr. Alok, clerk Mr. Shubham Avasthi. Now there are 3 other units. First one is MOE IAC Council, next one is event cell, and ARI adult ranking cell. The first one is MOE cell. The rest member as per MOE regulations, data operator for submission or upload the reports at the proper in the times and frame. Event cell coordinators heading with Mrs. Farheen, internal event coordinator Mrs. Shiva Mishra, external event coordinator Mrs. Bhavna Mehta, event report coordinator Mr. Ravindra Bhati, IT executive Mr. Ravindra Bhati, graphic designer Mr. Nihal, social media coordinator Mr. Ravindra Bhati. Now adult ranking incubation center cell lead with Mrs. Radhika Chaurasia, database coordinator Mrs. Farheen, budget coordinator Mrs. Shiva Mishra, data operator Mr. Shyam Mohan, and the overall MOUs and collaboration cells lead with head Mr. Alok, legal advisor Mr. Dhirendra Singh, documentation manager and clerk Mr. Subham Avasthi. For online and offline course cell head with Mr. Lalit Rana, faculty coordinator Mrs. Simi Gupta, student coordinator Mr. Prince Kumar. Now we are going to our conference cell. Lead with Mr. Sudhir Arora sir, conference coordinator Mrs. Farheen, advertising coordinator Mr. Ravindra Bhati, clerk Mr. Rahul. Now next is startup cell. Head is Mr. Abhishek Ojha, and for NRF cell, head Mrs. Sapna Chawla. So it's all about for the all faculties and group members for the same.